doing that job. Fresh air and, being out with fresh cut grass. It smelled so good. Like we all used to live that way, part of nature. So I love, some of the conveniences of the modern world, but then it's nice to get back to nature too. That's the way we're meant to be. We're not meant to live in cities, we're meant to be part of nature. I'm totally confused how I got here. I think what's happening is just this way takes a lot longer. Like that's more of a just directly there. So it's like twice as long because it's a long swooping trail. The other one's a direct trail. Going the same direction, the same everything. But it's good. I'm up for a longer ride today. I'm feeling good. I was worried about going every other day. Remember I mentioned in a couple of vlogs before, I think I mentioned it, that I started off like 3, maybe even 2 times a week, and that seemed like a lot. And so I thought, well, can I go 4 times a week, every other day or so, and just do less distance? So I thought, I think that's healthier because every day you're getting a little bit of nature, a little bit of fresh air. But what I'm finding is I don't want to do less distance. I want to go further, even though it's more times a week. So I have a lot more energy than I think. And it really stretches my muscles. They're tired now, but you feel how good this is for me. So I guess I am figuring out how it all connects. It's connecting because this is a long swooping trail and that's a direct trail. Same distance, same everything, just different kinds of trails. So I was also thinking about YouTube lately. And remember I said that I know my thumbnails and titles are really boring. And the idea is not to have, the same green color everywhere. Maybe a splash of it maybe, but because people are telling me different things. Some people have a nice big picture and that's the way they do things. But then other people tell me, oh no, you got to have like the same colors so we nearly know it's your videos. So it's all a little bit confusing what to do. I don't want to be boring. I've tended to use the same color in all my videos, but I can see how boring that might be. So I think I might change to one big picture because I take pictures every day anyway. And so, grab a picture that fits. One picture from the day's riding. There's always a bunch I take, or at least one. And then put the information around it. Like I think I should put the Korean flag. So we always know we're in Korea. And then if I change and I go to another country, who knows? Maybe I will. Once I learn how to travel. So again, I'm learning about thumbnails. You know, in some ways, you know, big audience, small audience is fine with me. But in some ways, you know, nice big audience, I affect more people, talk to more people is nice. You know, I do these videos, like I said, mostly for me. But if I can help some people learn about Korea and just enjoy, you know, you're lonely or you're, you know, locked inside or something, or whatever it is you're doing, we can kind of hang out together. I can be like a, you know, virtual friend for you. So again, I talk to you. The only way you can talk to me is through the comments. I appreciate anything you want to tell me in the comments. You know, don't be afraid. Tell me these videos are stupid, quality's bad, you don't like the sound of my voice, you know. And also, I think I'll start showing my face somehow, which I haven't really figured out how to do yet. Like, do I stop somewhere and film an intro, or, you know, take a picture of me somehow? I haven't really done that. So this ride is going to be a lot more than I ever expected. I just didn't expect it to be this big. Yeah, but we're still here. That's the bridge I saw from the other side that was being, you know, made. Yeah, very interesting, this bridge being built. I like this picture. And again, if I don't take it now, it'll be built. I'll never get it again. Wow, how do they build a bridge? It's interesting. How do they do that? I think they built this other bridge just to build this one. I think it's just a floating temporary bridge somehow. Amazing. Now, it's a long way home still. But again, that was a lot more direct. I remember being right there, and I'm going way around. So just relax. You know, get a good stretching workout for my legs. They're getting tired and sore. It's good to stretch them though. They do talk a lot about the health benefits of biking, and I'm finding them to be so true. You know, like I had these funny colored splotches on my legs. You know, and I asked the doctor, and he said it was just poor blood flow. And I've noticed that after biking, that problem has almost 100% disappeared. You know, and also my leg muscles have just toned. You know, I don't look flabby anymore. I look toned. I'm not great shape yet, but, you know, it's supposed to be really good for your heart. And I feel that, you know. Before, sometimes I get winded. I don't really feel that much anymore. So those benefits, it's supposed to make you like, you know, fight depression and fight, I don't know, bad feelings. And so, you know, I'm pretty even-keeled, but I do feel happier. You know, my mind feels clearer, like ready to learn something. I find that to be fascinating. It does work. You know, I find that my shoulders get a workout. You know, my knee, which is very bad, gets a good workout. Just fascinating. It all seems to be true what they're saying. And I've heard it fights cancer or something. I forgot, I think. Hard to remember. But this path is becoming like an old friend. It used to be so foreign, and where am I, and how far do I get home? I'm lost. But now, you just kind of know. I mean, I'm not close to home, but I'm not far away either. I'm pretty good distance. It's fine. You know, if I need another break, take another break. For now, I like the steadiness. You know, up and down. Working my calves, which get very sore. My knee, which really gets sore. Almost never gets sore anymore. I used to shake a little bit when I walked on my knee because I inherited bad knees. That has gone away. Not 100%, but to a great extent. I know where that is, that thing on the hill. I think I know what that is. I think this is the other side of that lake. Fascinating. I think I know. I think. Is that? Well, maybe I'm wrong. Climbing, climbing, climbing. Always fun. They're not huge hills here, but they're suddenly quick and steep, and you don't expect them. All right, now we're in a totally different way. This street. I was going to stop the vlog, but you might enjoy this road. Can I just take a quick stretch break though? Whew. Whew. Oh. I think it's a good time to end. Hope you've enjoyed the vlog. I really have. So, very simple, but I hope you enjoy. Stop recording.